Are you looking to upgrade your sewing game or dive into the world of sewing for the first time? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best sewing machines that cater to every skill level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone on this list. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the Brother HC18850. The Brother HC18850 is the sewing machine we recommend for just about every at-home sewer. It is exceptionally user-friendly, with a large light-up screen, easy-to-read numerals, and simple forward and backward buttons for each setting. Selecting your desired stitch from one of the 185 available options is a piece of cake so you can get to your sewing faster. With denoted default settings, the HC18850 makes it easier to remember how you adjusted your stitches and determine how you'll adjust them for a new project. The HC18850 can't quite match others like the Singer 17258 Stylist when making buttonholes. On easy fabrics like cotton muslin, buttonholes come out looking beautiful. However, the needle can jump at the start on many other fabrics, creating an odd offshoot of the stitching. But if your plans for adding buttonholes are minimal, the HC18850 excels at everything else. And with a reasonable price, we solidly recommend this for pretty much any hobby sewer. If buttonholes are important, the Singer 17258 doesn't cost that much more. Next up, we have the Brother CS5055. If you hope to save some cash with your sewing machine purchase, the Brother CS5055 is our top recommendation. This user-friendly model produces high-quality stitches with most of our test fabrics. The setup is fast, and choosing your stitches is super easy. It has the standard needle threader and does an average job at winding a bobbin. This machine also has enough stitches for most projects and produces a quality buttonhole. That said, we were disappointed by the thread cutter and the way this machine sewed a zipper. We also had some slight issues with the bobbin tension. The CS5055 bunched up the fabric a bit in a few of our tests. Still, these are minor inconveniences for those looking for a great deal on a new sewing machine, especially for a beginner. If you are okay with spending a bit more, both the Brother CS7000X and the Brother HC18850 offer more precision and features. Moving on to our third pick, the Juki HCL F300. The Juki HCL F300 was our favorite overall sewing machine, earning the highest score of the entire group. This machine is a powerhouse, quickly and easily going through many layers of denim or anything else we tossed at it. It has excellent quality stitches, exceptional lighting, and above-average buttonholes, among many other great assets. Unfortunately, all of this performance comes at a premium price. This makes the HCL F300 much more suitable for someone who frequently sews and is very dedicated to the craft. Users looking to undertake small projects or the occasional patch would be much better served by some of the other machines in our lineup, which retail for considerably less, like the Brother HC18850. Or, if you want over 600 stitch types and want to save some money, check out the Singer 99960 Quantum Stylist. Our fourth pick is the Singer 99960 Quantum Stylist. The Singer 99960 Quantum Stylist is an excellent machine with enough stitches to satisfy even the pickiest sewer. It is relatively easy to set up for such a complex machine, with fantastic lighting and a well-designed automatic thread cutter. Scoring high marks on all our many stitching tests, we love all the interesting and unique stitches this premium model can produce. We were also impressed with the ease and quality of the buttonholes on this machine, making it one of our favorites for this task. We did have some problems with the default tension settings. The needle threading and bobbin winding processes were only average. The instruction manual is also a bit clumsy to read. The layout requires a lot of flipping back and forth to find, read, and follow directions. That said, it's relatively easy to use for the complexity this machine is capable of. If you've been dreaming of more stitches to embellish and accent your projects, the 99960 Quantum Stylist is a fantastic option. Last but certainly not least, we have the Brother Sewing and Quilting machine. We had several sewing machines earn perfect scores during our testing, But we've deemed the Brother XR Naive 550 sewing and quilting machine the best overall because it has all of the modern functions that you'd want in a sewing machine without any fluff. However, that isn't to say that this machine isn't advanced or lacks competitive features. We enjoyed how easy this machine was to set up, especially thanks to the intuitive thread guides illustrated on the machine. The bobbin is also drop-in style with a thread guide that snips away excess length. This machine can handle both lighter cotton and higher density weaves like denim. It's easy to cycle through all of the 165 stitch options on the digital screen, which also suggests which compatible presser foot to use. In addition to your standard functional stitches, of which there are 110, the remaining 55 stitches are alphanumeric options, so you can even try your hand at monogramming. However, there is only one font. We loved using this sewing machine with a wide table extension, which would make quilting and larger clothes projects easier to manage. This machine is also just over 10 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest options in our roundup, and it has a carrying handle and hardcover case. Carrying handles are not uncommon on machines, but we think this model would be a more portable option for trips to sewing classes or different work areas. And there you have it. The top 5 best sewing machines in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Which sewing machine caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Happy sewing!